A joint team of various CSOs leaders visited in Torbung Gram Panchayat and assessed the situation of the villagers who had returned to their original homes recently after displaced for over 2.5 years in relief camps. The CSOs comprising Thawai Mirel, Meitei Lipun Peace Committee Kangleipak Manipur, Torbung Victim Committee, Thamnapopi Merapaibi and United Women Development Organization, Bishnupur District, made the assessment following the attack carried out by Kuki militants against a Meitei settlement in Torbung GP on December 16. During the visit, the CSO leaders went to the houses of the newly resettled villagers and interacted with them, asking their plights and challenges, besides providing relief materials to those in urgent need. Speaking to reporters, spokesperson of the CSO, Paunam Sanahinbi, questioned the security lapses in and around the border area of Torbung GP and Churachandpur district area that led to the Kuki militants indiscriminately firing rounds and several mortar shells upon the Meitei settlement on December 16, despite heavy deployment of security forces. She further demanded a clarification from the President's rule government in the state on the failure to nab those responsible for the attack till date. Meanwhile, R.K. Tombisna, another spokesperson of the 6 organizations, strongly denounced the government's failure to disarm the Kukis till date, although the Meiteis were forced to surrender all their arms long before.
Nungsidaba mafam khangdaba amana governor oiraga laibase matik chadre haibe wafam se khoi thamjarage pendre akhoi bo deploy tawbigane na laiba sipai sing asina deploy tawbagi mahutta makhoi gi center gi wa ngaire lai akhoi do order pirakte adu tawde hairaga laire aduga buffer zone hairiba se kina sem saraga makhoi ngak na bai damak tampaki akhoi maitai sing se changak na bai damakta thamba buffer zone amara haibado akhoi chingnarakle Bishnupur gi SP na Tangzilaga Torbung Banglada, Hariba IDP Sing Hanjil Halibado, Tuna Lokoka, Haida Ibawahi share. Asitana Tana Kangna Kangna, Masi Sarkana, de China to Minalek Pase, Pende,